Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto has gained a fan in actor and former Politiko Edu Manzano. Manzano praised Sotto for doing a wonderful job in his first months in office, even if they do not know each other. Netizens agreed with the veteran actor. Under Sotto's leadership, Pasig received the 2019 Good Financial Housekeeping Award from DILG. The City Hall was able to save 150 million pesos from July to November 2019. Pasig honor students get to have cash gifts, and more than 160 long-serving City Hall employees were regularized. The young Politiko was able to read Manzano's post, and the two had this banter.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.